Long hair princess cake. Wow, you just received a cake cooking kit package. Let's check it out. Good job! To make the long hair princess cake, we will need 400 milliliters milk, 1 box vanilla cake mix, 300 milliliters jam, 500 grams sugar paste, long hair princess cake topper, 300 grams white chocolate ganache, 300 grams whipped cream, some fondant flowers. Firstly, pour some vanilla cake mix into the bowl. Great! Pour some delicious milk. Mmm, so yummy! Mix the cake batter with an egg blender. Wow, so nice! Simply pour the cake batter into the deep cake mold. Now let's bake the cake for 30 minutes. Well done! It smells so good! Drag the cake onto the cake board. Mmm, so yummy! Slice the cake with a cake slicer. Good! Now let's drag the sliced cake onto the cake stand. Pretty! Evenly spread some white chocolate ganache onto the cake. Oh, it's so yummy cute. Strawberry jam. Not bad. Fabulous. Evenly spread some white chocolate ganache onto the cake. Wow! Some yummy strawberry jam. Nice! Evenly spread some white chocolate ganache onto the cake. Some yummy strawberry jam. Yum! Delicious! Now cover the cake with the rest of the white chocolate ganache. Good job! What's your favorite color for fondant? I love it! Let's roll it out. Beautiful! Let's drag the dreamy fondant onto the cake. Beautiful! Smooth the fondant with the smooth tool. Great! Let's cut the extra edges of the fondant.
Wow, you are so talented!
The princesses are so beautiful. Choose one to decorate your cake. Amazing! Pipe the long hair with the piping bags.
Good job!
Decorate the long hair with lovely fondant flowers. Oh yeah! Yay! Great! Aha! Wow, so nice!
Lovely!
Beautiful! Great choice! YOLO! I know what I want! I like it! Yummy! Good!
Good job!
Great! Delicious! Fabulous! Aha!
Oh, it's so cute! Lovely!
I know what I want. I like it.
I love it!
YOLO! Amazing! Aha! Yum! Finally, drag the name of the card onto the cake. It's DIY time! Not bad! Well done! Time to decorate. Choose whatever you like to decorate your food. Fabulous! Not bad! Beautiful! Uh-huh.
Voila! I can't wait to try it!
Remember to subscribe.